भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening, dear viewers, and welcome back to Logical Guru, the show where we simply complex legal cases and explore the most intriguing courtroom dramas in history. Tonight, we bring you back to 1959 to a case that changed the Indian judicial system forever: the sensational trial of K.M. Nanvati versus State of Maharashtra. A crime of passion or a predicted murder. This case gripped the nation, that led to intense courtroom battles and ultimately became the last jury trial in India. Let's break it down. The case that shook India. Our story begins with Commander K.M. Nanvati, a respected naval officer who had seemed like a perfect picture life, a loving wife, 3 children, and a successful career. But beneath the surface, something was terribly wrong. His wife, Sylvia Nanvati, had fallen in love with a businessman named Prem Ahuja. When she confessed this affair to her husband, it set off a chain of events that led to one of the most talked about trials in Indian history. On April 27, 1959, Nanvati confronted Ahuja at his residence. He carried a loaded revolver, and moments later, Prem Ahuja was dead shot 3 times in the chest. Nanvati then calmly went to the police and surrendered, claiming that it was not a murder but a crime of passion. But it was really a spur of the moment. Or was it a predicted killing? The jury's controversial verdict. The case went to trial, and since India, it has followed the jury system of the time. A group of citizens, not judges, had to decide Nanvati's fate. Nanvati pleaded not guilty, and his lawyers argued that he acted in the heat of the moment and after a painful revelation about his wife's affair. If expected, this would mean a lighter sentence, just 10 years in prison. The jury ruled in his favor with an 8-1 majority acquitting him. However, the Bombay High Court was not convinced. They found the verdict biased and dismissed it, leading to a retrieval, this time without a jury. And this was a turning point in Indian legal history.
बस अभी 12th खत्म हुई थी और अब आधे से ज्यादा टाइम ये सोचकर निकाल देते हो कि विच करियर टू चूज. वेल, इन दैट केस आई गॉट यू कवर्ड. ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना, क्या पता आई विल जस्ट मेक अप योर माइंड. यू मस्ट हैव थॉट ऑफ कोई बस ऐसा कोर्स मिल जाए जहाँ अनलिमिटेड जॉब ऑप्शन हो, क्योंकि मैं भी यही सोचती थी. जैसे कि जर्नलिस्ट, न्यूज एंकर, रेडियो जॉकी, स्क्रीन राइटर, वीडियो एडिटर, इवेंट मैनेजर, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, सिनेमैट, फोटोग्राफर, डायरेक्टर, पब्लिक रिलेशन ऑफिसर, एंटरप्रेन्योर. इनफैक्ट इन सबसे भी ज्यादा जॉब ऑप्शंस चाहिए. तो जस्ट चूज BAJMC एज अ करियर. BAJMC is not just about theory but plenty of practical knowledge too. BAJMC as a course आपको provide करता है world की better understanding, meeting और working with people of top notch industry. और सिर्फ यही नहीं, BAJMC as a course आपको help करता है to grow personally and professionally too. So what are you waiting for? Choose BAJMC क्योंकि इधर आपको मिलेंगी endless possibilities.
The bench trial and final judgment. During the trial, the Bombay High Court followed Nanvati guilty of premeditated murder, rejecting the argument of sudden emotional outburst. The Supreme Court later upheld the verdict, and Nanvati was sentenced to life imprisonment. However, just 3 years in prison, he was pardoned and later moved to Canada, closing one of India's most dramatic legal sagas. Why was the last jury trial in India? This case exposed major flaws in the jury system. The media played a passive role in shaping public opinion, and experts argued that the jury had been swayed by emotional and social factors rather than legal facts. In 1960, the Indian officially abolished jury trials, ensuring that trained judges, not public opinion, would decide legal outcomes. Lessons from the Nanvati case. The end of jury trials. This case showed why the Indian legal system needed a change. Judicial decisions should be based on laws, not emotions. Crime of passion versus premeditated murder. Even in the heat of the moment, the law evaluates intent and circumstances before deciding the verdict. The power of media in courtroom public. Perceptions can be sometimes influence trials, but legal principles must remain neutral and fast-driven. final thoughts. The KM Nanavati case remains one of the most debated courtroom dramas in India. Even today, Bollywood movies, books, and legal discussions continue to revisit this historic trial. What do you think? Was Nanavati guilty of murder, or was it a truly crime of passion? Should India have kept the jury system? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today's episode of Logical Guru. I am Harshita Banga. Stay tuned for more legal deep dives, and don't forget the law is right and knowledge is your power. Until next time, stay informed, stay aware.